What is up, guys? None of the sites. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check Google Forms that you filled and submitted. So first, you need to head over to your Google Forms website, and then you need to click or search for talks.google.com. And after that, you will open the Google Forms website. And from here, you need to choose the form that you want to see the responses for. And after choosing the form, here at the top, you will see this responses section. Simply click on this. And if you want to see the responses in your Google Sheets, so you can just simply click on link to Sheets, but you will see all your responses here in your Google form. So let's say you want to link to Sheets, simply click on create a new spreadsheet and then click on create, and then a new spreadsheet will be linked to your Google form wherein it will store all the responses. So you can also see the responses in the Google form, and you can also see the responses in your Google Sheets. I'll just simply open it for you and I will show you. As you can see, the demo form 1 responses will be stored here, like with the timestamp, the email address, and the who are you section. So this is how you can see all the responses on your Google form. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.